Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to Wake Up Wednesdays. So, wake up. How are you doing today? How's your week going? Are you tracking and making progress with your plan? Are you looking at your GSD list, your Get Stuff Done list, and ticking things off? Are you working on developing the habit of working from a list that's an outcome-driven list and not a task to-do list to make progress on your plan? If things got away from you this week, if things aren't going according to plan, like sometimes they happen for me, that's okay. These Wake Up Wednesdays are an opportunity for us to reinvigorate one another, for us to get together and talk and get back on plan. So wake up. I want to talk to you guys today about an article that I posted in the group chat entitled Scalable Agile and AI. And this brings two of my most favorite things together. And that is just a fancy acronym. So SAFE for Scalable Agile at the framework enterprise level or large scale organizations is just a fancy acronym for rolling out Agile on a large scale for large organizations. And the opportunity to have SAFE and Agile working together is very exciting for me as someone that's a product manager, a project manager, a coach. I get very excited about these things. And I just wrapped up a workshop last week. And what the SAFE organization has done is they actually created their own AI tool. And what's very exciting about this tool is, of course, you can always ask an agilist like myself, a product manager like myself, and get my feedback. But their tool will scan back over 10 years of information, over thousands of articles, and the SAFE community is the world's largest agile community. So it pulls from all of their chats and boards as well. And you can ask it all kinds of questions. You can say things like, how do I do PI planning? What are the key components to PI planning? How do I get my team to be more consistent with story point estimation, t-shirt sizing? What's the difference between value stream mapping and traditional project management? Really, really cool interaction and dialogue with their new AI. Now they're actually calling their AI something similar to what Microsoft's using. The name of their AI is Safe, a Safe AI Copilot, just like Microsoft has a Copilot. But the Microsoft AI Copilot is meant to be designed a little more for helping us with things like Microsoft products. So maybe creating formulas or Visual Basic for application code in things like Excel or creating presentations in PowerPoint, Designer, etc. Safe AI is, like I was saying, you can actually ask it questions about your safe, implementing safe, rolling it out, um, everything from, how do managers make the transition from less of task orientated, telling people what to do, to being more servant leaders and coaches. And they showed a live demo, a live interaction of them interacting with the AI and the answers it was providing and the sources in which it provided. And it was really great. Where I've worked in organizations where I'm supporting, 300 people and I've grown teams as large as 400 people, sometimes I don't have the time as the program manager. Even if I'm on site, I don't have the time to interact with everyone, no matter how good the training is. So having this AI, what I call AIAs, artificial intelligence assistants, there to help and assist you, really phenomenal. I'm very excited about that, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So some of the competencies for this are data and analytics, culture and mindset. So it's making sure that to build a robust digital infrastructure to make data-driven decisions and not emotionally charged decisions, but data-driven decisions, and to have a culture and mindset that embraces AI as what I call an AIA, an artificial intelligence assistant, and not to be afraid that AI is going to take something over. It's there to help us and make our job easier and make our job better. So obviously, like we talked about in the past, we're going to augment our workforce with AI. I think a lot of industries are going to see that to make us better. So in the safe world, whether we're talking about Scrum Masters, coaches, product owners, RTEs, release train engineers, LPMs, lean portfolio managers, software engineers, building AI-enabled solutions where customers can interact and we developers can interact with AI, having a governance data model in place, and making sure that it's responsible AI, so it's trustworthy, private, secure, resilient, explainable, transparent. There's accountable to it, like we talked about, reducing those hallucinations, and it's human centric, so you feel like you can interact with it like you're interacting with a human. But ultimately, AI and SAFE is there combined together to help obtain better business results for outcomes and values. So teams are centered around delivering value streams, and it's less of a hierarchical structure, especially now where you introduce a concept where you can basically ask the safe AI almost anything, and it'll give you an amazing answer. Like I said, pulling from over 10 years of information, the largest Agile community, and managers now can move towards more of a servant leader coaching type of a role. So I'm very excited about this. I hope you guys have an opportunity to use SAFE, to use some form of Agile or some form of framework in your projects and your programs. I hope that you use AI and you incorporate it into your businesses responsibly and you see it as something that's human centric, that's there to assist you. And welcome again to Wake Up Wednesdays. So wake up. Thank you guys so much for the time. Please let me know if you have any thoughts and we can keep the dialogue going. Let's talk again soon and have a great day. Bye-bye.